It's the Texas weather discussion video for Tuesday, the 3rd of June. I'm Donovan Neal. We remain mostly dry today, but we see a pattern change over the next 2 days that could mean some more rain chances for parts of the state for the next 2 days. So let's take a look at our upper air map across the nation this afternoon. Got that trough to the west, just to the west of us. We have a little bit of a ridge starting to increase and moisture starting to increase from the south, so we'll be a little bit more humid today. Temperatures already in the low to mid 70s mostly today. Some cooler spots around 68, but the high will be around 87 to 91 today. Across the watch warning map, not much going on. Some river flood warnings still in effect for parts of the deep south and parts of the Midwest, where they received lots of heavy rainfall over past 10 days and over 10 days ago. Severe weather possibilities over in El Paso near New Mexico and also parts of the Midwest as well. On day 2, got a minimal risk out in West Texas and a severe weather risk out in the Midwest near the Ohio River, near the Ohio Valley and parts of the Northeast. And on day 3, we could see a few strong severe storms over in central Texas, over through central Louisiana as well. Notice how each day in Texas we're solidly in the green, which means we'll have a risk at least strong to minimally severe storms, but no organized severe weather is expected. Here's the average rainfall for the next 7 days. The rain's starting to shift to the places where they need it in the United States. And down here, amounts could see around an inch or so of rain. Again, your rain amounts can vary over the next mostly over the next 2 to 3 days, actually. But most of the rain stays to the east of us. But this invest near the Bay of Campeche. This will get close to the Gulf of Mexico at times, but it will recurve into Mexico and actually jog to the northeast, goes to the places where they actually need the rain the most. So let's go on to normal output. This is the 06Z run of the GFS file this afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. At 500 millibars, around 18 to 20,000 feet off the ground, you can see troughing starting to curve more to the southeast, ridging getting dampened by that tropical low. And down here, I think we stay mostly dry. Like I said before, we'll mention a chance of an isolated storm or two, but we stay mostly dry, highs in the low 90s with a mix of sun and clouds. And then on Wednesday, as that moisture starts to evac from the southwest, we'll start to mention a greater chances of showers and thunderstorms by Wednesday. Highs will be in the mid 80s this time around. I think we'll see more clouds than sunshine on Wednesday, and pretty much the same deal on Thursday. That looks like a day where we could see scattered showers and storms throughout the day. Highs will be in the upper 80s this time around. And here's Friday. We started clear a little bit with the low position near St. Louis, Missouri, near Joplin, Missouri, actually. I think we'll be even warmer with that clearing. Highs will be in the low 90s. And then on Saturday, we started most of the state stays dry for the weekend. Highs actually in the mid 90s this time around, and pretty much the same deal on Sunday. Most of the state's dry. And here's Monday of next week. Monday we could very easily see some isolated to widely scattered showers and storms, especially to the east of here. Highs in the low 90s. And a week from today, went Tuesday, the 11th of June. Got a pattern flip here, troughing in the west, troughing in the east, ridging in the west, and down here it looks like we still again could mention the chance of isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms during at least the early morning hours on Tuesday. And let's go out to a week from today, at the end of the forecast period, actually, to Thursday, the 13th of June. You can see we have it ridging starting to develop here in the south, and down here, that's not stopping any rain from coming through. But you can see, let's go to the total ensemble precipitation spread. You can see over pretty much the middle of June, you can expect at least a little bit of increase of rain through the middle of June. That's very best indicated by the ensemble mean, which means we're going to our regular summertime pattern here of a mix of sun and clouds, highs in the 90s with widely scattered to isolated showers and storms here. For the numbers for the next 15 days clearly reflects that. We do see a little bit of a cool down by the middle of the month, but after a while we start to warm up to the mid to upper 80s again. Highs will most likely be in the mid 60s 60s to mid 70 degree range for the lows. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll run it on the blog. Next video here will be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can't catch your local TV stations on the air this afternoon at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and Godspeed.